Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this early Valentine's Day look right here. So if you guys are interested in this look, then just keep on watching. So for the palette that I'm using is the Jackieaina palette, and the shade that I'm using is this pink shade right here, which is called Supreme, and just blending that all out into the crease. So for the next color that I'm using is this shade called Pinker. It's a dark pink / purple color, and I'm just placing that onto the lower crease. So I already hit and cut the crease, and I am using this white shadow from the Soft Glam palette and just packing that onto the lids. For glitter, I'm using the Golden Paradise glitter in the shade Barbie, and I'm just packing that onto the cut crease. So for a foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Infallible 24-hour foundation, and I'm using the Makeupshack Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Sculpting Coverage Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. To contour, I'm using the Silhouetted contour palette from themakeupshack. To bake underneath my eyes, I'm using the RCMA translucent powder. To overlay my lips, I'm using the Italia lip liner in the shade Natural Beige. For lipsticks, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Inked Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Driver. So this is the finished look right here. I hope you guys really liked it, but I am going to be doing more of these Valentine's Day looks, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, I will see you guys next time on my next video.